Hey guys, welcome to Motorcycle Maintenance Channel. On this episode, we're going to show you how to do everybody's favorite mod, the flush mount turn signals. We're going to get rid of this ugly thing and replace it with this nice sleek flush mount from TST. It's the Halo flush mounts for the R6 motorcycle. Here, 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 just like that. And here. Alright, so here we are behind the fairing. We removed this plastic piece that was bolted on by the three little plastic clips that we love. So we pulled those three plastic clips out and we moved this little insert to the side. And right here, there's a little plate. So this plate goes to the back end of the blinker tube and we pull it out of place. And then we pull the connection out so we can see it. And then from here we unconnect the blinker. So take it off. And then from here it's just a matter of wiggling it out. And it just pops right out like this. And the blinker's out. Now we will install the flush mount blinker. Now with these new flush mounts, they come with a separate piece like this. Not entirely sure why they wouldn't give it to you together, but that's the way they do things there. So, looks like it just fits. It's a cap. It's this way. There we go. And then this piece will go back in like that. Just connects right there. I'm going to do it one more time to this side. All right, so just to show you guys again, I prefer this to be one piece. And maybe TST did this so you didn't have to run running lights. But if you bought the Halo brand, that's $30 more. I mean, why not have it come together? But anyways, it doesn't come together. Separate piece, just like I showed you before. Take this wire on this little white piece and bend it up through this crack like that. And then have the different wire that comes from this light also go through the crack of that white piece like that. And then stick in the cap like this. That way both are showing. And then what you do is you just take this piece that's already on here and connect it. It's like, just like that. Now, how is this guy gonna fit? Feel like it should go in like this. Okay, so we'll take our wire. Yeah, not yet though. We'll take our wire and we'll put it in like this. And just kind of get a good fit. Oh yeah, that looks nice. All the way around, much better. Okay, and we'll take this little clamp piece here. And this kind of grabs onto the back side of this. So just to see how it's going to work, I think it goes in like that. So put it in this way. There you go. I feel like that's as tight as I can get it. All right, so now that's in place. We get our stock connector, and these will fit perfectly into there as if it were a stock piece. Good job on that part, TST. And we'll just tuck it back in behind the black piece of fairing. There we go. And we'll put our little fasteners back in by sticking the little center piece out. Just kind of get them all prepped and ready to go. Push the center piece back out. And then start sticking them in one by one. Oops. There we go. And you'll hear it click into place. And the third one. There we go. Should be fine. Oh shit. Oh, cool. Pretty sweet.
$50 better be. That's cool when it changes though, you know.
Yeah, different color.
Your attention.
I like it. And it's bright